In today's video, I'll show you on how you can register warranty for your Casio watches. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to open up a browser from your mobile devices, or in my case, I'm using a Windows computer. Regardless, you just want to head over to Google and search for Casio product registration. Now, before you do this, you also want to make sure that you already registered or created an account on the Casio website, and from there you will then be taken to this page right here. Take note that you need to create an account before heading over to one of these buttons, but in our case we just want to click on the product registration. From there you then have to choose your product. We have clock, we have electronic dictionary. Of course, you want to select the first option, which is going to be watches or clock. From there, you just have to fill out some necessary information like your model name. You have your brand right here. So we have something like G-Shock, BBG, and more. In my case, let's select the most common one, which is going to be G-Shock. We have the sub-brand. Let's select something like digital. You have your own series and you have your model. So you just have to look for your specific model. In our case, let's go ahead and select this one. And basically from there, you have to enter the serial number, the purchase date, click on register, and from there you are good to go. Just wait for the confirmation that will be sent to your email address, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.